Another trout. This is a kitty right here. Get your ass out of here.
Come.
Another small trout. Yeah, these are little. Shit, they're right in front of us too. They'll throw out and you're about to catch one. They're right there. The school. Or on.
Bigger one in there.
Go out there, catch one layup. Careful. Hold on. Go ahead. It's real. Go ahead.
Don't get any hands. Shit. That feels like a better fish. If that's a trout, but it might be a catfish.
Oh, no.
What?
You just wrapped my line around
You gotta be careful, Cass.
that hole.
This is a catfish. It's gotta be. I knew it.
Oh my God.
It's just wrapped around it, Evan.
Yeah, I'm aware. That's what I'm saying.
There you go, bud. You got that. You got it. All right, every time you wrap the big one, just go real slow because the bottom's wrapping as soon as the. There you go. Good move there. Good move. Going to something else.
I'm gonna throw one more cast out there, and I did catch 2 trout in a row.
Artificial.
Worth the measurement, maybe.
No, he's not.
Yeah, I don't think that's there.
Throw him back.
That hit like a grown fish, but
What you got?
a white trout. Put him in the box. He might be bait.
Keeper.
Oh, wow.
I have broken the skunk.
Don't see many of those.
Watch out, Ed.
Just
Foot.
gotta go in this box.
Foot. Yeah, that's where you put the fish.
Free fillet.
That's where we're putting the fish, right? The first trout went
White
up.
trout eats good too.
Evan, do you want a shrimp?
Give me a shrimp. Yeah, that's
There you
what
go.
I've caught both things
Oh,
on.
sorry, my bad. Dad, you are putting fish in this front, right?
Hey, go ahead, just keep All right, man, good take. Time for you to catch one. Still ain't got him on.
He's over there fingering that catfish.
Need some help?
Sounds like trout.
Speckled trout, a little small. Little small. He's not 12. Oh, you're under, Ev. It's a fish. Stand up and get him. Is it coming up or is it a...
Alright.
It came up toward the top. I think that's a trout.
Doesn't feel very big though.
No. But be white trout. Oh, it's speckled trout.
Came right off the boat. Little bit of trout.
Oh, man. Doesn't feel good here. Oh, hold on. Catfish.
Didn't we throw that trout back in the water from there?
Huh? Hold on. You don't see I got a catfish in my hands right now? Hold on, dude.
Fish is about to die.
Huh?
Fish is about to die.
I got him. I'll save his life. Evan doesn't want to return him to the wild. Not a conservationist.
You using that voodoo thing?
Who, me? Am I using the scent?
Voodoo shrimp.
Yes. I thought you said the voodoo scent, which I have that too, but I'm not using it right now.
No, that's good.
Is that a bite?
You're under. Jeffrey, we throw me a trout? Huh? Throw me a trout?
Be white.
Oh, that's a keeper.
You?
Yeah, he's fat.
I don't think he's 12. I'll check him.
I think he is.
I don't. Whoa! Well, we don't even have to worry about it.
You got back in the water?
I did. He jumped out of my head. I don't think he was 12, Evan.
I think he was.
He was 11,
Been
dude.
in the business a long time. Those are 12-inch trout. 12 and an 8.
That's something.
Oh, I got, man. Get that damn net.
Throw it up there.
Got one? Net out, baby. Get the net.
That might be 12 on it.
Probably the one that just jumped out of yours. He's back. He was hungry.
A lot of small trout. Come on, buddy. Oh, wait, where you at?
I went to the right here.
Yeah, that was.
Not what I
It's
was
fun.
trying
It's
to
fun.
do.
We'll just switch spots for a second. You're under. That was quick.
Take the damn off. Yep. And took my shrimp.
Not quite. 11 and 8.
Oh, shit. Hey, Dad, can you throw me a shrimp by chance? $1. Dollar holla.
Definitely hit like a trout. That didn't hit like a trout.
That makes me feel better if Jim Carter had some live We won't stay here too much longer. Just see if we can catch a couple 12-inchers out of here.
Hold on, you know what I'm about to do?
Get ready to throw artificial.
Well, I've been throwing artificial. I'm gonna throw something on the bottom and see if there's bigger ones underneath it. Cause up top, we know what's up top. We know what's up top. Evan, I'm gonna squeeze down you, so don't squeeze by you. Don't get me. You got Evan fishing my setup.
Goes right under.
I know Evans.
Yeah.
I got it hit, but I hope I didn't take my shrimp off. They hit it right when I put it down.
How you like that setup, Ev?
What's that up?
The fishing rod and reel you fishing with, dude.
I like it.
That's mine.
Good.
You like
White.
it? When we fish for redfish, we're gonna have to switch, cause that's what I'm gonna use.
I bet they took my little bastards. Killing my shrimp.
We might try the minnow. Look at that boat kind of come steal our action.
Hold on.
Son of a bitch.
I had something. Well, it does not appear that there are bigger fish underneath.
That's
Even smaller. But
hey, can you throw me a shrimp while you're at it?
I'll try that again. Little.
Alright, where are you, Steven?
Well, I'm not in a cork, so as long as you don't cross me over from the beginning. Where are you at, Ed? What are you doing? All right, go ahead.
Go straight out.
And I'll fish according to where you got yours. All right, that's you.
These little bastards.
Shit, that was quick.
There's somebody. Is that Al?
No, that's Steven.
That might be cute. He making noise. That might be cork making noise.
It's not a cork. Fishing a jig.
You know what? That's my way.
I think I got a little one.
Come on.
Came out and ate my shrimp.
Steven, that's that measure.
Think so?
You gotta measure him.
Oh yeah. That boy's looking good.
98 to go.
Come on, buddy. I'm trying not to just destroy your mouth, please. You're not big enough.
They're all in the zone.
This fish is not 12, I don't think. It's 10 and a half.
Yeah, I want you to do it. Really high. Hold on, we can do it.
It's not that big.
Legal, but can do that. What'd you catch it on, shrimp?
And I just let it sit.
Good size.
It was a fish.
Yeah.
Nice.
And I had to let him have it.
Yeah, I saw you let him, he ran with it for a minute.
Well, I didn't want to jerk it out of his mouth and look, he's barely lip
There
hooked.
you go, Jeff. Get up in there. There's a shrimp, right?
Mm-hmm.
How big was it?
Evan, watch out. Step forward. Thank you.
All right, guys. 98 for Trout.
All right, all I need is a flounder, and I got a slam in the box, guys.
There you go.
Huh?
Yeah, you got a trout?
Look at him calling me on it.
Don't even
Come on, man. Y'all can't make it on a white trout for the slam. Well, I see my cork.
I don't see mine. I don't see mine. Damn, it's my damn. It doesn't feel very big whenever it is. It's my damn window. Doesn't feel very big.
He's big enough. That's a keeper. Evan's one fish away from a slam. Go ahead and tell him, man. Hey, I got a fish on.
What do I need, a
I need
flounder?
to get up there because my cork is moving and I'm not even touching it.
So what you're saying?
I just looked up and it's gone.
Jeff, better get your phone in.
I'm good.
Hope you manage. It's gonna be close. I think it's gonna
I
manage.
wasn't even looking, man.
Yeah, he's gonna manage.
Have you, Jeffrey?
Yeah.
Let me land the fish. Are you off or still on me?
It's on it. I wasn't
All right, hold on.
looking, man. My bad.
There you go.
We're down to the last cast.
I want to catch a fish.
I hear you, Jeff.
All right, Jeff, you're good. Really. Evan, I'm getting up here with you.
Alright, that's fine. Let's see where I'm just straight ahead.
Where? Right there?
Yep.
All right.
Grass. Seems like a good. Probably my best cast. You got something, Jeff? Yeah.
A little different.
Some.
I got a fish.
I'd be a flounder, man. The way
It's a red.
Steve.
Red.
I need to move.
No, you're good.
He ain't big enough, is he?
Yeah. What do you mean?
What'd you catch him with?
Swim bait. Hold on, somebody net me. I don't have him hooked real good. Somebody. And I just 12-pound mono.
Looking for the net, all right.
Come on.
All right, bring him over here. Pull that head up. Close, isn't he?
Oh, he's it. He's it.
Good job, man. Look at Steve catching with all kind of stuff.
Look at that, man.
Good fish.
To make a good picture. Hey, will you do me a favor, Dad? My phone is in my left pocket, and I don't want to put the fish down. Just grab my phone and then hand it to me.
Like a selfie?
Well, I'm not gonna do a selfie. I'm just gonna get this picture with this red and this bait in his mouth. That looks like a good picture.
Bait. Rascal.
Watch
Good,
out.
yeah. Use these.
It's a good looking fish.
This one right here.
Mm.
Yeah, man. Ow!
He's in the boat.
Put him back in the water.
Trying not to. Gotta get this. There we go. And he is. I'll have to fix that bait. But
He told me there were no fish over there, Dad.
Alright,
He
that's
lied
it.
to me.
Watch out.
He didn't catch it over there.
Yeah, he did.
He didn't catch it over there.
Where'd he catch it?
I don't know.
Hey, Dad, watch out. My rod just fell. You got it? You see it?
I'm pretty sure. Caught it where he told me there were no fish.
He caught it over here. He tucked in his pants and dared me to light it, and I lit it. And it blew up.
Oh, Jeff, watch it. Sorry, my cork was spinning in circles. I was trying to. Yep.
Hold on, I got it. Don't even try to lift him there. Ain't no sense breaking a line or breaking a rope.
He swallowed that freaking shrimp. I let him have it forever.
Good job.
I didn't know what he was. I was letting Jeff get his rod out of the way so I could set the hook.
Is that a shrimp or a
Shrimp.
line of cork this year? Really wants mine. Mr. Thompson haven't caught one today or something. Throw it up in there, guys. Throw it on back in there. Yep, you stay. I'm not gonna like it around here, so you go straight in. There you go.
Just get it, buddy.
A little bit too far, pulled out. Perfect. That's the thing about minnows, you can do that.
Evan, watch
Shrimp
your
will
foot.
Stay in the weed.
Watch your foot, F.
Or you'll lose it. Trying to get it off.
Yeah, solid half a foot of water.
All of a sudden,
You can
you
get
hear a noise and turn around, and he's in like.
Knee-deep water cussing.
Yeah, that's not hard to do.
To put his little anchor pole.
You can lose your balance pretty quickly on a kayak. You're so unstable.
Try to, look, you got the wind. Try to throw all
Go
the way
that
over
way?
there. Yeah. Oh, shit.
Let's see.
go right in the middle and fish for trout. Oh, we got some trout right in the middle. Yeah, another trout. He's got a trout. I don't know how big it is, but it's a 12. No, it's not.
What is
It's a redfish.
That's a redfish?
Unfortunately,
Over a redfish.
it's a redfish, and I'm trying to get him so he won't have more than one eye for his whole life.
One-eyed jack.
Maybe you catch him a couple years from now. A one-eyed fish.
I caught a one-eyed bass at the reservoir last summer.
Literally on one eye?
Hmm?
What was it?
One of his eyes was just gone. He had one eye.
Jeff, you're under. I jumped on. Just jumped away.
That's how it was, man.
That was me. When it looked away. It did kind of pop, but I think it was. Good spot. This is the cut those guys were trying to fish. They were about good 30. They were back up there. I couldn't get this far.
Are you still fishing artificial?
No. Live shrimp, just because
I might switch to
not to
shrimp.
waste it.
Yeah, my minnows have gone
I'll
cold.
fish at the next little hut, little cove over there.
Because they seem. I think my minnows are no longer attracting the big ones.
See, I'm never out this far. Hardly at the lake.
Do what at?
I'm never out in St. Louis. I'm never this far, so it's like there's something around there that I'll never get to eat. I don't know. We ate it.
I've heard a lot of good things at that new high-end steakhouse in Bay Marina.
What's that?
What's the name of it, guys?
I don't know.
No, I think that's in Bass Pro Virginia. What is the name of that steakhouse? It's where the old Cuevas Bistro is, downtown.
32, man. 32 is one of my favorites.
Is that up top?
That's the IP.
Yeah, that was pretty good. That was a good meal. We ate it last time. We ate there. Saw your dad there when the Bonamassa played. Then we ate at the Boulder. Huh?
Oh, yeah. Joe Bonamassa.
Yeah. And last year, Joe Bonamassa played the Boulder Box. We ate there. There's that steak.
Oh, I don't like that one. That one I think was a little overrated. I don't know.
Well, what I had was, I had seafood. I don't know what the fuck that was.
DR Prime or whatever?
Yeah. It was pretty though, but it was, whatever.
They were super good.
Oh, they were for a while. Well, hey, who just made that cast? That's where you want to be in this cut right
Right in the middle.
Right in the middle.
Might catch something there.
We'll see. Haven't had much luck
Jeff
lately.
never catch anything.
Huh?
Haven't had much luck.
I've never caught anything over there. I've been all up in there.
Throwing this minnow out here.
Hadn't had much luck the last few minutes.
I've had a couple bites on trout. I've caught
Have
two reds and a bite.
And they were both on the live trout.
Right. Oh.
I might. My next cast or two, I might switch. So. Add something in it.
That's big. Like a trout. Red, trout, what you got?
I got a slot red.
Need a net?
No.
You got a slot?
Yeah.
Man, good job. You catch it, man. On net, you catch it.
How big is it?
Slot.
15 and a half.
No,
He might not be 16.
he's 16.
I don't think he is.
Slot means it's big enough.
Easy. 16 to 27 is the slot. That means you can keep them.
Yeah, he's Steven's thinking, I got to clean all these son of bitches. I don't want to catch him, man.
I didn't catch any, so yeah.
Yeah,
They may clean anything.
You got to help him clean.
I ain't helping them.
Oh, he's 17.
Put him in the boat. Good. Reel in, Evan, throw on that point real quick, don't it? And he gets off his spot, you jump on him, man. You don't let him
out of
get
there,
it.
please. Oh, I thought you were doing it with the net.
Now, you minnow or shrimping? All right, throw back on that point, see what happens. That's a wild ass looking rail. This is great thing.
Huh?
That graham color. Whose is this?
Green thing?
Is that green?
Teal? Let's see.
Great, I mean. You know, I almost ordered some sunglasses, some Combine sunglasses.
You've been saying that forever.
I know it. I'm going to.
Wait, yeah, watch
I thought
that.
y'all get them to me. I thought it'd be great for Father's Day. Wouldn't it,
How
Jeff?
many hints did you give him?
Yeah, Jeff, if your dad was colorblind.
He is colorblind.
And you got him some, didn't you?
Yeah, he's had them.
Yeah.
I got them when they first came out.
That's awesome, Jeff. Fucking A, man.
How much are they expensive?
I don't know. I don't even know what y'all talking about. But my dad is colorblind.
Well, they got colorblind sunglasses.
I don't wear sunglasses. But I've really seen them.
What's he do outside? Doesn't he play golf?
He can't do that. It's too bad. He lays out in
He
his
drives
pool.
a car, doesn't he?
Ah, crap.
You need to swim. Doesn't he drive a car?
Yeah, he drives.
You gotta have sunglasses to drive a car in the daytime.
Dad, can you give me a shrimp, please?
I'll be glad.
I'm over this minnow right now.
Make it 2.
I got a bunch of them here.
No, don't make it 2. I got one.
Nah.
Look, they're dead and alive. Just get a couple.
He got little bitty on his tail eating.
Make sure you get it. Get a couple of them, Mel. Put it on there. Give him something to look at. Give him a reason to say no.
My dad hangs out in the pool and makes whiskey drinks at night.
Don't you dare.
He likes them Japanese drinks, don't he? Japanese whiskey.
No. I mean, he might, but what you got on there?
Steven just tearing them up, isn't he? You gonna be big enough?
Yep.
Yep. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, look at me trying to throw them off. Evan, get on that point.
Oh, I'm
this
on
is
it,
a little
right?
bigger than that last one. I'm on that point. This is what I like. I like that. That's what I like. Yeah, get up here on that point.
Yeah, fine.
Are you doing
Mm-hmm. Daddy, you gonna grab me a shrimp? Since you're being the charter captain.
Get a couple shrimp. Give him something. Evan's got something. Hell yes.
I've just been doing the one every time.
What you got, F?
Be a flounder. Be a flounder.
Call it, Evan.
Be a flounder. It's a redfish. Get him in. He's close. He might measure.
Where's he at?
Over here.
Buddy, walk over here, Evan.
Evan, walk that way toward
Walk this
Dad.
way with a fish.
He's gonna be right at 16.
Well, put up. Get him out of the water. Ain't go diving. Get him out of the water. Hell yeah. That's easy.
He's close.
That's easy. Put him in the box.
So live shrimp it is, Jeff. You got a live shrimp on or any shrimp?
Yeah, throw on that point over there.
Yeah.
Move up front, Steve. Move up. You got a big one now.
Oh, it just got off.
All right, Jeff, get
He
it.
popped off.
Let Jeff move to the point.
Well, just throw to the point.
Reel yours in, Jeff. There ain't no fucking fish over there. Reel it in.
Give me some shrimp.
No, I'm gonna let Jeff's gonna get that point first.
Okay, that's fine. Give me some shrimp.
I will when I'm taking my time.
Jeffrey, throw to that point, dude.
Gotta get it in now.
Hurry your ass up.
You need a pair of pliers, Jeff? You got it.
Yeah, I don't know.
All right.
You ate it pretty good.
Well, let me get pliers. You can put a little pressure on it. It'll pop right
God,
up.
I can't believe that fish got off. He was on good.
Put it in the corner. And
He was on. That's fine. That right there is fine. I'm catching them all around that point. Just pop it. Watch out. Excuse me. You're under. You're under. Reel in.
Sure he's big enough?
Hell yeah.
That's a good one.
8 inches. I've got a fish on.
You're dragging me in for one. Hold on. Hold on. There we go. You're good now. Oh, you got one.
Hold on, hold on. Okay.
Yeah.
Fist pump, baby! Get that boy cold beer!
Yeah.
Finally.
Get that boy cold beer!
Appreciate you keeping Steven off the point.
Alright, Jeff. He's trying to get them on. Good job. Who needs a shrimp? Alright. You got another, Steven?
Yeah.
Now look, we don't need to, Steve, walk this way. I got a pair of pliers for you. I might have to measure that.
No, he's 16. He's
There you
17.
go, Jeff. Take your time. Who wanted to come over here? I don't know. Who was that wanted to come over here? Huh?
I got a little
Hey, Amy caught one. What you got, Ed?
Little baby red.
Little baby red. I got shrimp for y'all.
I need shrimp.
Yeah.
That's a good fish.
Hey, back in the, well, no, I probably wouldn't have kept them back in the day, but.
Yeah, I need some more shrimp, please.
Yes, sir.
Shrimp, please, sir.
Glad to.
We have hit a redfish little school over here.
Well, it's a falling tide, so they're cruising that grass line heavily.